Hello, my name is Boomster and I have a problem. She's called Maddie. Maddie is so bad that I had a box of puzzles and I wanted to make it a complete picture, but Maddie messed up with my puzzle. She destroyed the puzzle. She took away some of the parts. Now I don't know what to do, because if I cannot construct the entire puzzle, it's going to be very difficult for me to proceed with the picture. And if I messed up some parts, it's not going to construct the entire picture.
Oh dear Boomster, don't worry, I have the solution for your problem. We will start with the corner piece and we will set it with the piece that is most compatible to this piece. In this way, starting from the corner, we are going to construct the entire picture altogether. And for the pieces that I have messed up or destroyed, what we can do is we can buy another box of puzzles and we can use those pieces from the other puzzle to put it in your puzzle to create the entire picture. And this way, your picture will be complete, the perfect. So you don't worry.
The two parts of the puzzle that Boomster is talking about are actually two parts of the genome. As in humans, we have both maternal and paternal chromosomes in the same individual. In the same way, plants has two sets of each chromosome as well. My job as early stage research candidate in the Epidiverse project is to separate these two homologous chromosomes in Populus nigra. For this job, we are going to sequence the DNA of this plant. DNA is made up of 4 bases: adenine, cytosine, guanine and thymine. And to separate the two parts, we need to assemble these bases in the correct position and orientation. This leads to the construction of entire genome base by base, and the separation is done on the basis of differences between the positions of the bases. This project is very useful because it's going to generate standard of how the genome of Populus nigra should look like, and it will help my fellow ESRs in analyzing their data. Study of this plant is particularly important because it is one of the most abundant plants across the Europe, and so it is very significant ecologically speaking. The plant is very useful in natural medicine formulation, in research activities considering it is a non-model species, in making paper or carpenter jobs, and overall environmental balance being a part of forest land.